If you like to go out camping, especially dispersed camping, I have this combo kit right here. It has this privacy tent. This tent, you could actually use it for taking showers, changing, anything like that that you need to do. But it can also be used to store a portable toilet. So if you're going out, you don't want to be out there in the woods and not have anywhere to go. So let me show you what this all includes and why I like this one so much. Okay, this one is so cool because it comes with the privacy tent, like I mentioned. You can stake it right down to the ground. Look, the wind is blowing. It's not going anywhere. It's going to give you that privacy that you need. You can roll this up. Of course, you can zipper it right down to have that privacy. It does come with a toilet here as well. And I like this one because it's not just a little round circle. This one is actually shaped like a real toilet. You can lift that up. You can put in the bags that it comes with and the deodorizer. It has a phone holder and it has a toilet paper holder right down there as well. Now, you might be wondering, how much weight can this actually hold? It can hold up to 400 pounds. The nice thing about this is this one does collapse down very easily. The other thing is inside this tent, you do have a little pouch right up there where you can put your soap or any other cleaning supplies that you may have. It does have this strap right here that you can strap on, hang up a towel, or you can put, hang your shower from there. It does have some ventilation. Check this out. Easily opens up and closes, and there's another one right up here on top as well. Another really cool thing, I didn't see any others that had this. They might be out there, but I didn't see it when I was looking. You actually get an LED light, so when you have to go to the bathroom at night, you have this right here. Now, this does take 3 AAA batteries, and it is LED light. You can easily hang that in there and be well lit.